The bench press requires a little bit of technique, but for some people, even the push-up, even the kneeling or box push-ups could be a lot of weight for the shoulders and the arms and chest to carry. So the bench press is another variation that we could throw in to have this pressing forward motion for your upper body. For starters, we're having the bench set up so easily, slowly get into the starting position. Your eyes are lined up, so it's going straight through to the ceiling, and the bar height is set up so roughly your wrists will meet the bar if you have your arms straight up. Because once we pick that bar up, we don't want to excessively push our shoulder up to get the bar off the rack. We just want to be able to just push slightly with our elbows to get the bar off the rack and then get into the starting position. So the starting position is the bar is over your shoulders with your elbows straight. And as you're going down, you're actually moving your hands slightly down towards your legs as you go down and coming back up to the starting position. So it's a slight arch down and come back up. So the feet are planted firmly on the ground. Your knees will be about 90 degrees. Your butt stays on the bench, your upper back stays on the bench, and your head stays on the bench. So even though we're laying down, you want to keep your upper body and your core nice and engaged. That's going to be a tricky thing for some people to imagine, but once you lay down, people tend to disengage everything and just lay down and loosen everything up. But imagine you're doing a push-up and keep everything nice and strong, including your legs. So move slow, move carefully. This is over your body and over your face. So we want to be particularly careful. And even though it's a lightweight, it's good rule of thumb to have a spotter. We call somebody standing right here facing this way in case they need to help you get the bar, pick the bar up, because you never know what could happen. And that is the bench press.